Good afternoon. In this session, I'm going to show the demonstration on firewall in Linux. So before we go into the demonstration, I'd like to tell you what is meant by firewall. So firewall, you can able to define the policies on the network. So that is inbound and outbound rules you can define. And you can able to block some IP address, block some subnets, and block port numbers. And also you can able to define your own trusted network connection or interfaces. Okay, so these are the tasks I'm going to perform by today. So that is checking the firewall status, listing all the availability zone, create our own custom zone, setting the default zone, and assigning interfaces to a zone. And finally, we are adding HTTPD service, 8080 port number, and some IP address for allowing as well as denying. Okay, finally, we are going to list all active rules and zone. So let us go into the first part, that is checking the firewall status. Let's go into the checking the firewall status. Before that, just to log into your machine and take your uh, terminal. So for doing this exercise, you should log in as a root user, su space root, and keep your root password. Okay, so now enter into the root password. Keep the first command as I want to check the status of the firewall. The command is systemctl status firewall d. Okay, so systemctl, the command spelled su, systemctl status firewall. Okay, now you can see that the firewall is now active. Okay, so let us go into the second thing. The second one is list all these availability zones. Okay, so what I'm doing, I want to list out all the availability zone. The command is firewall hyphen cmd hyphen hyphen get hyphen zones. Okay, so this is the command to list all the availability zone. We have the availability zone called block, tmz, drop, external, home, trusted, public. Okay, these are all the available zones. So the third thing, I am going to create a custom zone. Let's see how to create our own zone. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to create my own zone here. So that is the command is firewall cmd hyphen hyphen permanent hyphen hyphen new hyphen zone equal to custom zone. Okay, let me check the spells. Permanent hyphen hyphen zones and custom zone. Okay, so that's it. Custom zone is the name, so you can keep any name here. Okay, I'm going to create with the name custom zone. Okay, now it is created as success. Every time you create anything, you are creating, updating anything you are doing with the firewall, just to reload it. What reload command will do is, without rebooting your system, background refresh will happen, which will do. Okay, the command is firewall hyphen cmd hyphen hyphen reload. Okay, just it is also successful. Now the third task is completed. The fourth one is setting the default zone. So what I am going to do is I'm going to set this zone as a default zone. Let me type the command again. Okay, so the command is firewall hyphen cmd hyphen hyphen set hyphen default hyphen zone is equal to custom zone. Okay, let me check the spell. Because it is case and space sensitive, it should be properly given. Okay, now it is successfully done. Okay, so our custom zone is now default one. Okay, so now what I am going to do is, the next step, that I need to assign the interface to our zone. So before that, I need to find out what are the available interfaces. The command is nmcli device status. Okay, so we have the interface called enp0s3. So I'm going to use this interface to add into our zone. Okay, let me go with the command firewall cmd hyphen hyphen zone equal to custom zone hyphen hyphen change hyphen interface. Okay, equal to enp0s3. Okay, so that's it. I'm getting some error unrecognized. Let me check the command. Firewall cmd hyphen hyphen zone is equal to custom zone hyphen hyphen change interface. Okay, oh, here the mistake. So that is equal to. Okay, so here I should press equal to. Now enter. So now success. Now what happened? These zones were included into the interface called enp0s3. Okay, so now we will do the next job. So that is configure our httpd service, which means that any services, any traffic which comes with the httpd, it is allowed. Similarly, 8080 traffic also which will allow. So let me go into this configuration. The command is very simple as usual. Firewall hyphen cmd hyphen hyphen zone equal to custom zone hyphen hyphen permanent. Okay, hyphen hyphen add hyphen service equal to http. That's it. Okay, let me check the spell once again. Hyphen hyphen zone, everything correct, I think. Okay, it is success. As I already told you, you have to reload all the time. Okay, so just to do reload, just to doing reload. Okay, this one just to reload, it is also success. Okay, again I am doing the same for the port number also. Let's do the same for the port number. Okay, I'm just deleting last few things, just to add port number equal to 8080 slash tcp. Okay, I think it is correct. Okay, let's try. Okay, it is also success. We are allowing 8080 port number. Again, just to reload it. It is also success. Now, finally, we'll do one more rich rule. That is the I'm just allowing some IP address. I'm just rejecting some IP addresses. Okay, so the command is very simple. The same command. Please take the same command up to permanent. It is okay. Hyphen hyphen here. Firewall CMD hyphen hyphen zone is equal to custom hyphen hyphen permanent space followed by, you need to add a rule, hyphen hyphen add hyphen rich for hyphen rule equal to, within single quotes, just to add rule family. So here important thing, rule and rule space followed by the family. Okay, and which is equal to within double quotes IPv4 and where source IPv4. Okay, and space followed by source address equal to 192.168.1.100. Okay, space followed by reject. Okay, that's it. Enter. Again I'm getting some small error. Let me complete it. Firewall cmd hyphen hyphen zone custom zone hyphen hyphen permanent hyphen hyphen add reach rule. Okay, equal to rule space family. Okay, so I sorry, I just small mistake here. Okay, rule family. After family, there is no this sign. There is no there is no quotation here because quotation is closed at end. Okay, I think it is clear now. Let's enter. Okay, so now success. Okay, so similar to that same, what the meaning for this is, if any traffic comes with 192.168.1.100, you are rejecting. Similar to that, let's try for accept also. If it is any traffic comes from 101, you are just accepting. Okay, so that's the accept. Okay, so that's it, I think. Okay, you just do reload. As I already said, you have to do a reload operation. Okay, everything is perfect now. Now the last command to check all the available, all the zone and their active rules. Okay, the command is firewall hyphen cmd hyphen hyphen list hyphen all hyphen zones. Okay, so now you see that there are it will display all the zones. Let's find out our zone. Our zone is actually custom zone. Okay, let me go into our custom zone first. Okay, so this is our custom zone. Now it is activated. We have given the services HTTP as active, as well as the port number 8080 we have activated, and also we have added two rich rules called you are accepting one IP address and rejecting one IP address. So that's it for the exercise. We are done all these things. Finally, we have done with how many zones are there, how many are activated. Okay, so that's it for the exercise. Thank you for the listening.